So hello everybody, I am Armaan and welcome back to Amazing Armaan Mishra channel. So yesterday I created chapter 2 and 3 Introduction to HTML tutorial for beginners. I have created that and chapter 1 also. And if you want to see how to make a website under 5 minutes, you can view that video and how to make a form without any code in 5 minutes and how to make a portfolio using HTML, CSS and JS. You can also watch my chapter 0 which I have created, and you can watch these codings also videos that I have viewed. Chapter 0 Introduction to HTML Tutorials for Beginners. You can view this video. So now today is chapter 4 and create a folder in this which will be chapter 4, and then open this folder in a Visual Studio Code and then make a new file which will be, as you know, index.html. And in the index.html we are today studying lists, tables and forms. Today we will see how to make a list, how to make a table and how to make a form. Basic things. So what are lists? Now lists are used to display anything. You know the list, like shopping lists are there, but we are talking about HTML lists. So I'm gonna put here HTML lists and it will show you like these lists. It is like this, lists of Indian states with their capital. So we will make like this. Okay, so let's start. First, list is of two types. First is unordered lists. This is UL. We have to type in the coding UL. This is unordered list. Okay. There are many list tags that UL, that is inside UL we have to put LI. UL and then we have to put LI here. The codes also we have to put. And today we are gonna see how to make these types of things in the Visual Studio Code. So first, as you know, Emmet abbreviation we are gonna use, and here I am gonna put chapter 4. And here we have to start with the coding of unordered list. Now there are many type of like bullets in the Word. If you are going to Word, and if you notice, there are many types of bullets that we can use. For example, here I'm gonna put hi, and now I'm gonna select this text. Like see, this is the circle bullet, and then this without any color, and then this square, colored square, and like this colorful, then 4 dots, and this arrow, and this stick. So these all we can also use in Visual Studio Code, but only there are 4. First is circle, disc, square, and default is circle only in bold color. That is in bold color. So today let's do the coding of list tags. So first, what you need to do, we have to put UL, which will be unordered list. In this, we will type LI. Okay, in LI we will type home, and I'm gonna copy this, paste. Home, services, about us, contact us. So this is type of how we make. I'm gonna do go live. We're gonna open live server again, and as you can see, these are the types of UL unordered list, and the default, as you can see. Okay, so unordered lists are used to list unordered items. And now we are gonna study ordered list, OL. So for this, what are we gonna do? We are gonna take a new after UL, and then we are gonna type OL, and that, you know, OL again LI, and in that phone, and then LI, and then I'm gonna type laptop. As you can see, this is ordered list and this is unordered list. Now we are gonna see the table tag. Tables are used to define tables in HTML table codes. Like there is table header, table header, and then after that there are many types of importing of table. See, first is table header. I'm gonna just type here. I'm gonna use comment. Table. There are many types of tables in HTML, like table header, and then table row, table data. Okay, just wait a second. Row, and then table data. So these are the types that we use in table, and it is very important. So let's see how we do the coding of this. So first, it's gonna come table, because we are creating a table. In that, we are gonna use table rows, and in there we are gonna use table header. That will be senior number. Then senior number, father and mother. As you can see, father and mother. Okay, so after this, what you can do, we have to close this using table row, and then we have to open a new table row, which will be in that table data. Again we have to use, which will be 1, and you can put your father's and mother's name, and so now I'm gonna refresh. So see how it looks. Senior number, in senior number 1, father is Santosh and mother is Neha. So this is the difference between tables and ordered list and unordered list. In tables, this is a basic table that I have made. You can put borders into it, and then you can beautify the table. Now we can use the caption also to name different tables. So in the caption, I'm gonna use it as caption my family data. So as you can see, this is my family data. The caption has came. You can use like this. If you don't want the caption, you cannot, means if you don't want, then you should not use that. Now span is used to merge table header, like it will take place of 1, 2 or 3. This was about the chapter number 4, in which we have studied the tables, the ordered list and unordered list. We can put different types of bullets, and then you can put caption also. Now I will put this in the playlist of coding and HTML tutorial for beginners. You can view that full videos, and till then I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye and thanks for watching.